Hi there, this is Maggie. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce how to make the composite packages, also called as paper can. First of all, let's see some different types. We have three basic types here. This one is separated in bottom and cap. There is also inner tube. And the next one is a complete piece with metal bottom sealing and a cap. The last one is a kind of combination of the previous two. It's also separated but with metal bottom and cap. Now let's see how it's made and which machines are involved. To have the paper can, we should have the paper tubes in the first place, and we use a paper tube making machine to make the tubes. But before that, a craft paper slitting machine is necessary. So after the paper tube is done, we will need a paper core cutting machine to cut the tubes into the sizes that we need. And here comes the paper tube labeling machine. But this is a step that you can skip. After that, a paper tube curling machine is to bend the edges inside so that we can place a round piece inside and it won't fall out. Or we use a tin can sealing machine to finish the tube ends. Now we have the bottom, the cap, and the inner tube. So this is how we combine all the three parts together to make the finished product, a paper can. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helps you to understand the process of making a paper can. You can find all the machine videos link below this video in the description. If you have any further questions or wanted to know more about the machines, welcome to leave us your comments and subscribe our channel. Thanks for your time. See you next time. Bye-bye.